How do you prepare your home for window replacement? Well, the good news is there's not a whole lot to do. So when we come into people's homes, we're a full service company. We'll take down the curtains, drapes, and blinds, take out the old windows, replace any rotted or damaged wood, blah, 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 clean up, haul off all debris. The only thing we won't do is, and it's like, I always tell people this when I used to run appointments, and my guys still tell them, if we're in a home and there's a couch that's in front of the window, for my guys to slide the couch is not a big deal. If there's a table or a coffee table or something like that, again, to slide it out of the way, not a big deal. But if we get in there and it's a 500-year-old antique table or tea setting or da-da-da-da, we're not touching that. I don't want the liability of that, and the homeowner probably doesn't want us to touch it either. Conversely, if we go in and they have a massive stereo system or a water bed or an aquarium or things like that, which I've done this 30-something years, we've seen, we're not going to touch that stuff. We don't want to run the risk of doing something wrong or damaging it. So for most homeowners, they don't have all that stuff. So it's just simply a matter of any knickknacks or any valuables or any furniture that they think that they don't want us to handle. We ask them to have that out of the way. But we need, let's say it's a typical bedroom window and it's a double hung window this wide and 5 feet tall or whatever. We're going to need about a 3-foot work area perimeter around that window to get in and out, because we work from inside the home and outside the home. So it's not like they have to clean out the whole bedroom or evacuate everything or anything like that. It's not that big of an ordeal. And then, with the replacement window job, we can typically do 8 windows in a day. If it's a bigger job, I'll send a bigger crew so we can do even more. But it's not like we're working on that one window for hours and hours and hours. So it's not like we need a whole large work area. On the exterior, I just kind of answering this with that same question. People will have plants and shrubs and things like that. And we do our best. We're not stupid. We do our best not to step on a plant or kill this tree or do stuff like that. But you'll go to some homes where they have bushes that are so overgrown that we can't even get to the window from the outside. Well, in that case, my salespeople will ask the homeowner to have it trimmed back or mitigated, but we still have all kinds of tricks that we'll do. We'll take bungee cords or ropes or straps, and we'll actually put it around a tree and crank it down without breaking the limbs to give us room to get to work. And our goal is to make it as pain-free for the homeowner, but allow us the opportunity to install the product right so we can stand behind the warranty.